everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Rita Fukio for you DIY. I started doing my DIY 9 months ago. My hair was very rough and bad, but since I started doing my own DIY, I have seen improvement of my hair, and people who already know me know how my hair was looking before. It started when I lost my hair when I was pregnant with my last born. My hair was very light and yucky. But since I started doing a beautiful DIY for myself, my hair has grown. And now look at my hair. My hair is very thick and very, very strong and healthy. Look at that. All my edges has grown back. Look at that, so beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna show you guys how I can do my hair when I braid. I put a thread in my hair, take it off, braid, and put my DIY fenugreek seed that I did already. I've uploaded a video there already, but this is just a video to show you guys how I apply on it, okay? I know it's a bit long, but I'll make sure I'll cut it short. Just enjoy the video and just know that try is the best. Try something. Do not give up on your natural hair. Try it and you will be happy like how I am happy. This is Miss Rita F. Brewer for you. Rita's Kitchen. Today is Rita's DIY. So let me take you guys to my hair routine. How I take my braid, spray my DIY, and plait it back. Let's go.